Mike here for Folsom Lawn and Power Equipment. Just wanted to take a minute of your time and show you some of the chainsaws that we have to offer here in our shop. Here I've got Stihl's MS500I, the perfect saw for any of your fallen limbs, trimming, pruning tasks that you may need to get done around your property. Here we have Echo's CS490 with a 20-inch guide bar on here. More power, more versatility, capable of small tree felling and larger cutting tasks, storm cleanup, cutting firewood, great power to weight ratio, and we'll make sure you're comfortable with using it before you leave. Need a professional saw? Got you covered there too. Echo CS620P with a 27-inch guide bar. Larger bar means larger trees come down. Lightweight, easy to use, highly reliable. We also have the latest chainsaw from Echo, the CS7310. 73.1 cc's is now the largest chainsaw that Echo offers. We have it here in our shop available with a 28-inch bar. Easy start procedure, very reliable. If you need an even bigger saw, we've got you covered there as well. Husqvarna's 572 XP. For the pros out there who know what they want, they come in and they ask for this chainsaw. We have it in stock, ready to go. If you're looking for the most extreme chainsaw on the market right now, we have Stihl's MS500I, the first ever chainsaw with Stihl's injection technology. What does that mean? It's the first ever chainsaw that's fuel injected. Don't have to worry about a carburetor adjustment on this. Fire it up, you're off to the races. Reviews on this have been excellent. The most popular one I've heard is that you can't stop this chainsaw. In stock, ready to go here at Folsom Lawn and Power.